101.1. Welcome to Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. As usually, we have a special discussion or meeting at 7 p.m. on Tuesday, of course, in this studio on Smart FM. And yeah, as usually, I'm not alone. We have here BP Isian. Okay, how are you guys? Great. Okay, come on. Use your microphone. I mean, mic. Okay. Anyway, we will talk about a special topic tonight. Yeah. From BPEC, our topic is. Who gonna want to say? What? What will we go into discussion tonight?
About people pleaser?
Yeah, as human being has a uniqueness, a lot of characteristic in human being. Of course, in all of the world, sometimes some peoples are very humble. Some people is arrogant, aggressive, and so on. And also tonight, because our topic is people pleaser. In bahasa we called tidak enakan. Yeah, right? Yeah. Tidak enakan consists of two words, of course. And we have I know you because I'm from BBC also. Okay, we have a Dafa tonight. My God. Yusril, Fatana, and Tenri. But before we are going to discuss about our topic tonight, let me I choose you to explain what is BPC itself to smart listeners. See the camera, please.
Okay, thank you, Kak. Thank you, Kak. So, BPC is one of the oldest community of English in Makassar that learn, of course, about English, debates, and also the main program of our BPC is weekly meeting. So, our weekly meeting is start from every Sunday, start from 10 until 2 p.m. And if you want to know about our activity, of course, or you can visit our Instagram at BPC Makassar. So thank you very much.
Is it free of charge or we need to pay?
It's free, guys.
Oh wow!
Yes.
Oh my God! So. Persuade people to come. Come on.
Just come and I'm waiting for you guys.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Tenri.
Yes,
okay. We enter to the topic of people pleaser. But we have friends also, newcomers come. Okay. We have two. They are Ais and Makfira, right? Okay. Come on. Please join with us. Yeah. Okay. Make it fast, please. Yeah. As usually. Yeah. In 1 week, of course, we have. But before, I wanna say hi.
Hi, guys.
How are you guys? Okay. Please.
I am fine, Kak.
Mm-hmm. Can you introduce yourself to smart listeners?
Okay.
Who's your name?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Ais Makfira Maulani.
Uh-huh.
We can call me Ais or Fira.
Mm-hmm. Next.
My name is Makfira Juanda. Some friend call me Fira.
Okay, hi Vira.
Hi.
Welcome to Smart FM. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start from Dafa. What do you think about our topic tonight? Please.
About people pleaser, right?
Yes.
Especially me, always do that.
Close your mic, please.
Me myself always help people, so I cannot refuse that when somebody wants get help for me. So I easily to help someone, everyone that can increase our relationship.
So you are one of them.
Yeah,
Right.
I'm one of them.
Okay. Thank you, Depa. I'm going to Tenri. What do you think about our topic tonight?
Our topic tonight is a very nice topic. Hot
Like a
topic.
sugar?
So Yeah, people pleaser is one of human that do that always. People pleaser. Of course, sometimes we also have our behalf about our people pleaser. So, yeah.
I want to know, are you included?
I don't want to claim about myself, but some people say that I'm people pleaser, but yeah, I think that it's
Yes or not?
I think yes.
Difficult to answer it. Confusing.
Yeah. Still confused about that.
Okay, keep your statement, please.
Yes.
Okay, going to Fatana. What do you think about our topic tonight?
About people pleaser, I think it's one of the interesting topic, and people pleaser is the person who always say yes and do the something for someone else, and then people pleaser pretend to make the first someone business than themselves. So it's very good and bad. Have a side bad and then have a good side.
Yeah, but two sides.
Yes, and then and then it's why I say it's good topic for tonight, because maybe we all in here have that character.
Yeah.
I mean, like maybe you can realize that you people pleaser in here because you're very kind and very good persons and so on. I think
I'm sure tonight
it's
you
all.
have a major preparation about our topic today. Okay, thank you.
Thank
Fatana.
you.
Next, Ice. What do you think about our topic tonight?
People pleaser is someone who always tries to make others happy to the point of forgetting his own happiness
Yeah.
and wasting his time or energy.
His or
Anything.
her. Yeah.
Yes.
But because our gender are two, man, arm, and woman, right?
Yes.
Not only his. Okay. Next. Okay. I forget. Come on. Fira. Okay. Come on. What do you think about our topic tonight?
It's kind of a good topic, but for do that, based on the condition, because sometimes for like for myself, like sometimes I did, but it's give me the back effect.
Which one you are? People pleaser or not?
I'm
So. You're
I'm
you are?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Have you heard before about this term, people pleaser?
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
Oh, that's good. It sounds good. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to the second questions. Yeah. My second questions. I start from Fatana. My question is, could you explain about the advantages of people pleaser? Yes, the positive, the plus point.
the plus point, I think
Yes.
if you have that character as a people pleaser, maybe there's someone who love you. There's so many person who love you, who like you, who kind about you, and then give a feedback like what you do to someone else. And I think it's all.
It's amazing, maybe, yeah. If you have,
Yeah.
but what about the impact? I mean, the
Wow.
negative side, something like that.
If I thinking for myself, I think there's so many negative impact that the positive impact one.
What are they?
Oof. Why? Because if you pretend to allow person to do first
Yes.
than you, it will be impact to your activity. Like it just
Like-
just go first or lady first. It's make you
Feeling blue?
yeah. It's make you have I don't know
What do you
to
to say?
explain.
Do not hesitate to
I
say in
don't-
Indonesia or
It's
Bahasa.
make you maybe And then the negative in fact one, you cannot give your argument because you always say yes. I mean, like if someone says, "What do you want?" You just like pretend to you. It's about you.
That's
And yes, you just say yes, 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 and yes. So you have a problem with finding yourself.
In other words, like trouble
Yeah.
for you, for us, maybe if we do that, right?
Yes, not just about you have a trouble, but you can make a new trouble for another person too.
Oh my God, it's the implication, right?
Yes, I think it's that all.
But okay, thank you for that. Before we are going to continue our conversation tonight, of course, we will be right back after this commercial. Stay tuned on Smart FM.